Jai Hind. Myself, Shyam Sundar Singh, a citizen of India as well as a retired soldier from Indian Navy. We all are aware that from last few days, our country is in situation that nobody had ever thought. I, as a citizen of India, urge the people of this country to think seriously about who is responsible for this present time. Because of this reason, I made this episode named as Aankhein Kholo. The points which I will be discussing with all of you are not new, but the main aim of discussion is that the things are getting out of control slowly, and no one is interested to have a command over that. I will try to explain you in a very simple language rather than making things complex. First, let me start by asking a simple question. What is a system? As we all are aware that the simplest definition of system is a set of rules, an arrangement of things, or a group of related things that work toward a common goal. For example, all the organs that work together for digestion. This example is for living body, and all the different systems in any living body is made by God, and we can also say that all the systems in living body are natural. We can feel and realize that if any system collapses or doesn't work as the way it should, creates a big problem to the living body. If it doesn't try to make defective system fully serviceable, it continuously leads to many problems in body. Now let us see what is independent nation. As we all are aware that a nation is a group of people who share the same culture, history, language or ethnicity. We can also describe nation as people living in the same country and government. We know that the future of any nation strongly depends on young generation, and youngsters' future depends on good education, as we all know that education plays a vital role in building a strong country. Strong country means good democracy, spending public money on infrastructure development and monetary assistance during natural calamities, freedom of speech to print media, strong opposition government to question the ruling party, having good system in the field of judicial, medical, education, military, etc. Now please think as a citizen of country. If any country is harmed or attacked by any foreign country, the whole sole responsibility comes on defense forces, which is a part of system. In the same way, if country internal situation is decayed by any cause, then the responsibilities lies on internal systems which were designed for dealing effectively with those causes. Any system that is made for the well-being to the humanity is not performing as required can be altered, changed or improved at any time because there is a control over it, as it is not natural and is made by a human being. We must always keep in mind that for consistency of any good system, we must make sure that the appointed people do their job in a proper way without being compromised on any ground. And also most crucial factor is that we should always appoint right man for the right job. As an accountable citizen of country, we must be fully aware and responsible of our voting rights and try to elect the right people who correctly fits on their jobs as a leader without being biased. We all must have a foresight vision instead of short sight, and this will only come when we will not think of any kind of personal benefit from anybody and constantly work with a feeling of always nation first. I would once again emphasize on the youngsters above 16 years that apart from doing their regular activities like studying, playing, working on their hobbies, they must also pay attention towards the ongoing national activities so that they are always aware of the present situations and be prepared for carrying out any kind of responsibility towards nation in a better way if demanded for better efficacy. At the end, once again, I would like to bring the point in the minds of every citizen of India that please have the feeling of always nation first, because everything is directly or indirectly is linked with the nation only. If nation exists, then only states will exist. If states are there, then districts will be there. If districts are there, then villages, cities will be there, and if cities, villages are there, then societies will be there, ruling parties will be there, government will be there for the citizens of country. Let's be a part of good democracy and try to maintain it. With this, I come to the end of this episode of Aankhein Kholo. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.